I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to turn off notifications on your Barclays app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile or Account section. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You will see a list of different notifications. Toggle off the ones you no longer wish to receive. For example, you might want to turn off transaction alerts. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now you're all set. Enjoy a quieter experience with your Barclays app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.